In this video, I want to take you through the geology of Bauchi State's Shapefile in Nigeria. The geology of Bauchi State has been converted to Shapefile, and the essence of converting this geological map to Shapefile is to make it easier for researchers to access and to use. And here is the source map. The source map, which is the geological and mineral resource map of Bauchi State, we got it from the Nigerian Geological Survey Agency. This is the official agency in charge of geological mapping of Nigeria. So we got the data from them, and we try as much as possible to follow it accordingly in conversion to Shapefile. During the conversion, we had some challenges which I will show you later. But let's go to ArcGIS and bring in the shapefile we have already converted. And in case you need the shapefile, you can check the description box of this video or send us a direct message. So I will click on Add. I will navigate to the folder where I have it. And here is it, Bauchi Geology Shapefile. And we have other states as well. I'll click on Add. Here is the geology of Bauchi State. Now, if I right click and open the attributes table, here we can see the attributes of the shapefile we have converted the geological map to. We can see the geology name, we can see the code just as used by the Nigeria Geological Survey Agency, and we can see the formation each rock unit belongs to. So now let's categorize this shapefile using the geological name. So to do that, right click and open the properties. When it opens, come under symbology. So instead of single symbol, click on categories. So I want to categorize using the geology. I'll click on add all values. Then I'll click on OK. Yes, you can see the different geological units in Bauchi State. You can see it here. So during the conversion of this geological map to shapefile, we encountered some challenges, and one of it, as initially mentioned in the previous video, is the inconsistency in the administrative demarcation of Nigeria boundaries. This was discussed in a paper, Assessment of Geometric Consistency of Nigeria Administrative Boundaries Dataset from Different Sources by Adaviruku 2025. So the second challenge we faced was double labeling of code from the source. For example, if you look here, if you look at this rock unit, you can see it is labeled as OGP and also as GG. So this one caused some little challenges. However, we were able to overcome the challenge by going to the legend and also using the color code to differentiate the OGP from GG code. So, but we try as much as possible to follow the source and also putting in account the inconsistency in the geometry of demarcation of Nigeria boundary from different data sources. And to minimize error or eliminate error, we use the official shapefile, which is from the Office of the Surveyor General of the Federation. The shapefile from Office of the Surveyor General of the Federation was used in georeferencing during the conversion of this map to shapefile. So this shapefile is available for use in case you want to do research or you want to go to the field for geology mapping and you need a map as a starting point. So you can easily use this shapefile to create your geological map. So in case you need it, just check the description box or send a message. Thank you for watching. Good day everyone. This is GIS Solution Tutorial channel. In this channel, we produce tutorial on GIS software and also on some tutorial that are of very use on how to use some gadgets. I thank you all for your support so far. You have been a kind of support to us, encouraging us to move forward. This channel membership we just created is another avenue for you to support us. I implore you to support us by joining our channel membership. Joining our channel membership, you have access to member-only videos. There are some videos that will be strictly for members only. Supporting us through your membership, we will really appreciate it. I welcome you all on board to Geology GIS Solution channel membership. Thank you for your support. Thank you for joining us. Joining us will support us to do more quality video, to get more gadgets, to produce more quality video. Thank you for supporting us.